Well guys, welcome back to Kiamichi Railroad Shoreline, guys. I hope y'all like this video, guys. Here they come. Alright guys, welcome back to Kiamichi Railroad Shorelines, guys. Look at the traffic. Woo. Alrighty, guys. Welcome back to Kiamichi Rail Shorelines, guys. I hope y'all like this video, guys. So, guys, I hope y'all like this video very much, everybody. So, don't forget to share and comment, guys. My sister just had her baby today. So, my parents are out of town, so they'll be back tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So, guys, I hope y'all have a good day, and I hope you have a good weekend with your family, including the ones that has kids and babies and tons of stuff like that. And you know, and share time with your sister. I mean, some of you might have sisters that don't have kids yet, or some of you might have sisters that's gonna have a kid soon, or you know, just enjoy being with everybody you know, including your sister. And I will be an uncle again with this child, so I'm proud of that. So guys, I'm an uncle of 2 girls and 3 boys now. So that's a good thing for me, being an uncle. Well, guys, everybody, I hope I'll catch you again real soon. Don't forget to share and comment. Thank you for watching Kiamichi Railroad on Hot Rails, owned by Genesee and Wyoming, guys. And if some of you subscribers haven't subscribed yet, please do. Give me the thumbs up and watch more of my videos. So, guys, don't forget to share and comment and subscribe. And leave me comments, good comments, not bad. There's no bad comments, there's good comments. So, guys, this goes for everybody out there on the Kiamichi Railroad, and including my friends out driving tonight. There goes my best friends. They're driving to Ashdown tonight. They're bringing some pipe, which that's really rare for the Kiamichi Road to use, to take. But I'm glad I get to see that again, because I love seeing that pipe in the front of the train, or the middle, or in the back end of the caboose. The pipe, that train you just seen, that's pipe going somewhere. So that is being hauled by center beam. It can be hauled by anything you can think of. Anything, flatbed or center beam, it don't matter. But that's going to a business somewhere down the line. And so hopefully I get to see it again. So guys, that end of the train was the caboose. There goes Fred. And so, guys, hope y'all have a good day and a good night. So, guys, if some of you have subscribed, please tell your friends to please subscribe to me and watch more of my videos. Alright, guys, I'll catch you guys later. Marshall, thanks for watching. And for you unsubscribers, please press the like button and subscribe if you haven't. So, I'll catch you guys next time on the Hot Rails of the Kiamichi Road, owned by Genesee and Wyoming. Catch you guys later. Marshall out. Thank you for watching. See y'all real soon.